Hi, I'm Jeff Hirsch. I'm here at the Money Show in Orlando with Brien Lundin, my good friend, and he is the publisher of the world's oldest precious metals newsletter, the Gold Newsletter. But we're going to talk about something other than gold in this segment here. There's a debt problem.
There is a debt problem.
What's going on there, and how do you see it?
Well, everybody knows that the debt's growing, and people are saying it's really bad. The debt grew the deficit last year was $793 billion. What they don't realize is that the debt actually grew by $1.2 trillion last year because there's about $400 to $500 billion that's off budget that just happens automatically. So it's growing much more quickly. My big concern, why I think it's coming to a head right now, is because with just a few little blips higher in the interest rates, the cost of servicing that debt has soared. Very soon, or if the Fed actually gets to around 3% on the Fed funds rate, the cost of servicing that debt will be close to $1 trillion. I just think that's politically impossible.
You think that's something that's going to help keep rates lower? They're not going to be able to raise.
Well, there's two ways to look at it. They can't raise rates to normal levels. They've got this brick wall they're running against where they can't raise rates, but of course now we're seeing that they're halting their rate hike campaign just because of stock market volatility. So there's that as well.
Some of which they created, I believe, in my view.
So they can't get to normal, they can't get close to it, and we're going to have low rates, easier money backdrop for the foreseeable future.
And then we were talking about the China trade war.
Yeah.
You said you think there's an impact there on one of the other metals.
Yeah, copper. There's a long-term fundamental argument for copper, supply-demand argument for copper, because it's the underappreciated energy metal. But there's a short-term opportunity in that the trade war of China has kept the price depressed in the short term. When and if they come up with a resolution to that, you're going to see a short-term blip up in copper.
Right in the seasonally strong period for copper from December to May too.
And you would know that too.
I should. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.